Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all possible checking options using the email number of your REALME 14T. Alright, so let's begin. So all we need to do now is to type our email number in that bar. If you don't know how to find it, I'm gonna show you that. So first, unlock your phone, and we have two options how we can do it. We can do it using the phone app. Once you have entered it, simply type that code, and in here you can see the email number for the first slot and also for the second slot, and also the serial number. But there is also a second method. We need to open up the settings. In the settings, simply scroll down into the bottom, click on About Device, scroll again and click on Status, and in here also we have our email numbers. Alright, so once we have done it, simply type your email number in that bar and then click on Check Email. As you can see, now we have our REALME 14T. Below we can buy phone like this. Simply if you click on it, the Amazon page will be turned on, and there you can buy phones like that. Okay, below we can read the basic information about the phone, such as device type, when it was released, the operating system, the chipset, and many others. Also you can click on Expand Info to read more, and if you are interested in the full device specification, simply click on right in here, full device specification. And in here also you have other things that you can read. We have basic info, also the parameters. In here are many information. And when you click on others, okay, nothing in here. Okay, so in here you can read the full device specification, and below we have the basic checks and also the advanced checks. When it comes to the basic ones, we can perform the REALME country and registration date check, perform the blacklist simple check, check the eSIM compatibility, generate random email, check MAC address, generate MAC address, add this device into the lost database, and check the status of your lost phone. And when it comes to the advanced ones, in here you can perform the blacklist premium check. If you click on that, you can see that it costs $4, and the time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Also, if you scroll down a little bit, you can share this page with the QR code. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.